Of course, maybe sometimes you have come to 4th level or 5th level, but you will not really understand it. It's alright, I told you trunk car, so yeah, smuggle, yeah. And it's good that you don't feel it. It's better for your ego. Plus you don't have much ego left, so you don't feel, and it's good. So anyway, many of the saints outside, I told you I met many. The janitor, the bricklayer in my house, the gardener, they're saintly person. What, 3rd level or 4th level, you know? The car dealer is a 4th level God. He came down specially just to help me in this period of time where he doesn't even know nothing about it, which is good. Okay? Some saints or some people, they come down specially to help us or to help themselves, to help other people, but they don't necessarily wish to know when they come down. They purposely close it so they can do their job better. Understand? Nevertheless, at the time of death, they will know everything. They go in glory. They might suffer everything in this life because that's the purpose. Yeah? But when they die, they will know they go in all glory. Okay? Similarly, us, all of you are 3rd level and above. But maybe you don't even feel much. But that's alright. That's alright. But you know that you can change. Yeah? And because in meditation you sleep too much, you don't see vision, but that's okay with me. Okay. As long as your life became purer, yeah, you become more and more selfless, more and more tolerant, more and more don't care. Then you know that you have evolved, yeah. And the more you evolve, the more you see your problem, not other people's problem, yeah. And you become more humble. Suppose, okay, I guess I guess maybe they don't even think that they're 5th level, okay, it's newly also, né? It takes some time for you to realize that you have just graduated and become a doctor of medicine, for example, eh? Even you know it, you celebrate and all that, but you still don't feel a doctor yet. You know, your jean is still broken over here, your shirt is still, you know, torn over there, and you still have a lot of debt in the bank to pay, and you know, you still live in a small apartment because you don't have money, yeah? But that's alright, that's alright. You're still a doctor. Everybody knows that. And you also know that, but you don't really feel it yet, okay? Because you need to worry about the rent, about the broken car, about the credit that run out, credit card that run out, blah, blah, blah. So you don't have time to think that you are a doctor. But soon, will, okay? So now, it's similar to these people. But even if I don't tell you, you can observe their behavior, no?
Yes.
They're absolutely selfless.
Yeah.
So anyway, they never thought about this, no? For sure, huh? But I think it's about time that you have some sample of encouragement, no? Oh, he can, I will. Okay? So I'm going to appoint them your Kuan messengers in the future, no? After I train them. Yeah? So you pay them due respect, but not overdoing. Not give too many cakes for points. Not too much chocolate, more points. You know, anything you do on purpose, useless. Understand? Sometimes you're too clumsy and you make trouble for them and you're overdoing it and you bug them, you even create karma.
Yes.
Understand that? So if they need help, if you think it's necessary, you do it with all your heart. Just like helping a needed, busy person. That's the best attitude. You understand? Of course I tell you the point so that you know. You know, eh? But for reference only. We don't do anything for point. Okay? I'm very happy for you that among you there are 3, 5th level saints and can be funny messages. Good?